Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a brand new matte black Harris 230 cruiser. This one's got 200 horsepower DTS throttle, dual bimini top, tan interior, really good looking boat. All right, so starting back here at the transom of the boat, nice big deck area on back. Safety railing around the outside of the boat on the back. That's what allows you to sit back here while the boat's moving. This does have the flip-flop backrest called a SL for Harris, and by far our most popular floor plan. We probably outsell this floor plan versus all the others, probably 3 to 1. Nice thing about this is you can sit here facing backwards. You can also recline this down flat to make a full sun pad back here for you also. Nice storage underneath. This storage is passed through all the way to the back here. And then you also have a nice built-in cooler over here. And because this one was ordered with the upgraded stereo, it has an extra pair of transom speakers back here, as well as a transom remote control. We also order all of these with a onboard battery charger, so you can just leave your boat plugged in, where it's in your garage or slip or wherever you store your boat. Keep a trickle charge on your batteries. Also love the fact there's now dual USB ports in all of the mouse hole cutouts. So anywhere you see the cup holders, you'll have a dual USB on all of those. Moving over here to the helm, reclining high back captain's chair, digital throttle, so no more cable connecting your throttle to your engine. It's now all done electronically for you. This engine is also a power assisted hydraulic steering, so instead of just regular hydraulic steering, this one is the power assisted version. 7-inch SIMRAD screen, so chart plotter, down scan sonar, fish finder, forward looking nav, all of your gauges will also be tied in through there. Windshield is not installed on this one yet, but the boat does have a windshield. Wireless cell phone charger here, and JL Audio Media Master 50 head unit has a small amplifier built into this, give you a little better sound. The ski locker has been widened up a little wider than it used to be, a little longer than it used to be, and it is also definitely nice and deep, so plenty of room to store all the gear you're going to bring out with you. And flip up table, one of our most popular options. We now order that as a standard on practically everything. Moving up towards the front, wrap around seating, additional forward bimini top. This will open up and zip back to the back for full shade. So really nice boat. This is our #1 selling boat by volume. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.